Hello and welcome back. And in this video, first thing we're gonna do is create a playground and get the playground ready for our image classification. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Xcode, File, New, Playground. And when your playground is going to open, most likely you're going to have iOS selected, and it's going to show you all these templates: blank, game, map, and single view. Mac OS Playground is basically what we need because CreateML is currently available only for Mac OS Mojave and up. Because machine learning basically needs a lot of resources, and there's no way right now that Apple has provided or at least opened it up for developers to utilize, where they can train their machine learning model inside the phone or inside the iOS framework. So what you do is the usual process is you actually train your model on macOS and using CreateML, and then you export that model into ML model format and then include it inside your app. Now, that all sounds like, there's a lot of steps, and it looks like, it involves a lot of work, but trust me, it's actually a lot less work than it sounds like. It's just like, 2 lines or 3 lines of code and like, dragging and dropping of your images and you're done. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look how to do that. So you're going to select macOS, you're going to select blank, you're going to click next basically to find a location to save this, and I'm going to hit cancel because I already have it created right here. And then you're going to land on this page. Okay, first thing, the way you can find out if you have chosen the correct type of playground is you simply say import create ML. And if you can import create ML, that's actually awesome. That means you have actually imported the right you have created the right playground. But if not, then what you can do is you can still have your playground selected, and if you open your properties, basically the file properties window and identifier and types, you can see playground settings, and that's where if you have iOS selected or tvOS selected for some reason, just make sure that it's been changed to macOS. And that's about it. After that, if you actually build, and you're gonna notice that you can import create ML. All right, so that's how you're gonna basically create uh, your playground. All right, and once you have created a playground, next we're gonna see how we can actually collect all the images and start training our model. All right, so I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.